Smartwatches do way more than just telling time, taking calls, and tracking fitness these days. And Garmin just added checking your fertility to the list. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Garmin has joined hands with Natural Cycles and introduced fertility tracking. If you don't know, Natural Cycles is the only birth control app cleared by the FDA. With this, Garmin is making you understand your fertility a little better. The new features coming to Garmin's most popular watches, including the Fenix 8, Forerunner 570, Venu 4, and Venu X1. It works by measuring your skin temperature and then uses that reading to unlock fertility insights in the Natural Cycles app. Your temperature is tracked overnight with information synced to the Natural Cycles app in the morning. One of the benefits of using a smartwatch to track your fertility is that it's simple and non-invasive. There's no need for any kind of hormone-based treatment or complex procedure. Just a few metrics that can be gathered from your wrist. Garmin isn't the first nor the only company to have added fertility features to its wearables. Rivals, including Apple, Whoop, Fitbit, and more also offer some kind of cycle tracking, meaning you've got a lot of options if you want this kind of functionality on your wrist. The only catch is this feature is only available in Australia, Brazil, Canada, the European Union, Norway, Singapore, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, and the United States for now. Plus, there's no update when it might be rolled out elsewhere. But still, it's a feature that can help you keep track, plan, or prevent a pregnancy, so that's a win. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.